The Philadelphia experiment is one of the most enduring and mysterious legends in modern history. It allegedly took place in October 1943, involving a U.S. Navy destroyer escort, the U.S. Eldridge, and a top-secret experiment aimed at rendering the ship invisible to radar. The story claims that the experiment not only succeeded in making the ship disappear from view, but also had unintended and horrifying consequences for the crew. Some accounts suggest the ship was teleported to another location, while others describe crew members being fused into the metal of the ship or driven insane by the experience. But was this event a groundbreaking scientific achievement, or is it simply a hoax that has taken on a life of its own? The origins of the Philadelphia experiment legend can be traced back to a series of letters sent by a man named Carl M. Allen, also known as Carlos Allende, to Morris K. Jessup, an astronomer and author of a book on UFOs. In these letters, Allende claimed to have witnessed the experiment firsthand and described the incredible events that allegedly took place. According to Allende, the U.S. Navy was conducting experiments in radar invisibility based on the theories of Albert Einstein, particularly his unified field theory. Allende's accounts were vivid and detailed, but they were also filled with inconsistencies and lacked any concrete evidence. The story gained traction when Jessup, intrigued by Allende's claims, began investigating the incident and published a book titled The Case for the UFO. Jessup's book attracted the attention of the U.S. Navy, which allegedly examined the letters and Jessup's research, leading some to speculate that the government was indeed hiding something. Over the years, the tale of the Philadelphia experiment was embellished and expanded upon, becoming a staple of conspiracy theories and paranormal lore. One of the most famous aspects of the Philadelphia experiment story is the claim that the U.S. Eldridge was teleported from the Philadelphia Naval Shipyard to Norfolk, Virginia, and then back again in a matter of minutes. This supposed feat of teleportation was said to be part of the Navy's efforts to develop a means of rendering ships invisible to enemy radar during World War II. However, skeptics point out that there is no reliable evidence to support these claims, and the U.S. Eldridge's official logs show that the ship was never in Philadelphia during the time the experiment was said to have occurred. Moreover, the science behind the alleged experiment is highly questionable. The idea that the Navy could have achieved radar invisibility, much less teleportation, using technology available in the 1940s is widely regarded as implausible. Einstein's unified field theory, which was never fully developed, does not provide a basis for such capabilities. Additionally, the supposed effects on the crew, such as being fused with the ship's structure, are inconsistent with known physical laws. Despite the lack of evidence, the Philadelphia experiment has become a popular subject in books, documentaries, and films, often portrayed as a classic case of government cover-up and scientific experimentation gone wrong. The story's appeal lies in its blend of science fiction, conspiracy, and horror, making it a compelling tale for those interested in the unknown. In reality, the most likely explanation for the Philadelphia experiment is that it was a hoax or a misunderstanding that spiraled out of control. Allende's letters, which are the primary source of the story, have been criticized for their dubious credibility, and no other credible witnesses have come forward to corroborate the events. The U.S. Navy has consistently denied any involvement in such an experiment, and there is no verifiable documentation to suggest otherwise. In conclusion, while the Philadelphia experiment remains a fascinating piece of modern folklore, it is almost certainly more fiction than fact. It serves as a reminder of how easily myths and legends can take root, especially when they tap into our fears and curiosity about the unknown. Whether you view it as a cautionary tale or an intriguing mystery, the story of the Philadelphia experiment continues to captivate those who seek the truth behind the world's most enduring conspiracies. If you enjoyed this exploration of one of history's most mysterious legends, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more intriguing stories and deep dives into the unknown.